Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, viewer. Here is Amir Nawaz Medo, student of BS English 2K19 at Sindh University campus, Larkana. I am going to present a presentation of philosophy subject given by Madam Fasia Nusum. I am going to share my slides by which I will present my presentation. This is all about my introduction. Name Amir Nawaz, roll number 14, concerned teacher Madam Fasia Noor Sumro, Department English Language and Literature. I have chosen four topics for a presentation. Video presentation. First, Socrates. I will tell you about the life of Socrates, the philosophies of Socrates, and work of Socrates, which is done by him in philosophy. Number second, Plato. Who was Plato? I will tell you about Plato and his philosophy and his work in philosophy. Number third, Aristotle. I will tell you the life of Aristotle and his major philosophical quotations and his philosophy. Number four, Saint Thomas Aquinas. I will tell you about his life and his philosophical thoughts. So, I am going to start my first topic, biography, philosophical thought, the death of truth. First, biography. Socrates was born at Athens, born about 470 BC to 399. His father was work as scriptor. His mother was midwife, teacher. His teacher by whom he was taught, and he was given the all ideas, and he come to decide, and he come to work in philosophy, and he learned everything by Anaxagoras. He worked in theater in his life, in his younghood. He worked in theater, he worked in plays, and he played drama. He was very intelligent, and he was very beautiful, uh, handsome person. By his handsomeness, he choose, and he worked as a hero protagonist of that theater. His students by him, three philosophers and three good students were produced. First, Plato. Plato was his one of the good students who work and who collect his all material. And Cato was his life partner and his best friend and his student also. And Aristotle, everything has been Aristotle was uh, taught by this philosopher Socrates. Philosophical thought. I will tell you about his philosophical thought and his philosophy. Arise a question. He was a riser of question. He was considered as a uh, productor of question. He taught everyone. He asked everyone to arise question uh, for every seeing thing. Impressed by Anaxagoras, I am told, and I am telling you again that he, by his uh, by Anaxagoras, he was impressed. Where first it was first time that they meet at a place that he was asking questions to people. but people do not answer him. The Anaxagoras told him about the sun. He was a very astrologer. He stood against the political system. He called the political system selected a commandment of own people, not public people, but only they they were in government. They can made rules for people. They people are facing so many problems, and he became against of them that they have not done well. According to him, old laws of Athens was made. The law which was implemented there in Athens, he considered and he rejected by every angle. And he said about his philosophy, in his philosophy, that old law of Athens is very bad. It is not good for people, but it is good for the ruler. He said about the revolution, change your thought and bring revolution. First, he taught us about the revolution, that how we bring a revolution. He said, and by by acting at his quotation, that the revolution, he first invited us to change our mind, to change our thoughts. By changing of our thought, we can change our society, our people, and ourselves, and due to it, revolution will be brought. Philosophical thought, every listened thing is not authentic. He said that everything which is seen by everyone is not authentic, means it is hub of doubtful. And he has raised a question by uh, this quotation. He said that things are hidden. We people want to free or not. It will remain hidden of all time. He said that all the things are hidden in other shape. But if we did not change it, we did not free those, they remain hidden. They do not change their shape, they do not change their value. Believer of truth. He was considered as a believer of truth. He believes in truth. He said that everything is truth, everything based on a truth. Plato and Crotto consider him most intelligent person of the world. His students, Kerato and Plato, consider him the more intelligent person in this world, and they did not see the intelligent person before him. Death of Socrates, or death of truth, means the death of Socrates. People made notorious him by playing in theater. That was time when he, being opposed of any unjust, that people of rich people made him notorious by playing in theater. Rich people of that time, because against him, became against of him because he was opposed of government system. First, I have told in first that he became the against of political system of that time, and he said that the old law of Athens is not good, but it is bad. People, rich people, come to notorious him. The case has been proceeded. The case has been admitted against of him, that he became the against of gods, and he became the against of the rules which were implemented there. And there were 500 wands which has decide which have decide either he is guilty or he is not guilty. The case has been proceeded. At that time, the court has proceeded his case. There were 280 votes made him guilty. The 280 people decided him guilty, and he is the eligible for that punishment. 220 votes in his favor. As a result, he became prison and he became guilty. And he proves he did not say about his favor, but he asked people and he made a speech there that you people are thieves and you did not see and you did not want to see the truth and you did not uh, want a revolution and change. According to Plato, Socrates' hand did not shower at least. At the last, he was punished uh, and he has to choose the punishment and the of himself. And he was considered a guilty that he has given the bowl of poison to him. And at least he had, but taking it, he did not shower. According to Plato, Plato quoted that my teacher did not afraid of that punishment, and drank he drank it very bravely. Socrates bravely took the bowl of a poison in his hand, and his lips touched the blow freely, and he did not scratch. He became brave and he had it. His last word, he asked his student Kiroto to repay for coke that was liability on him. He asked his student to work to do, which was his last words. Number second, Plato. I have completed first topic, Socrates. Now I am going towards the Plato. About his life, I will tell you about his life, philosophical thoughts and theories. Plato, we are going to discuss about his life, that where from it has been came. His birthplace, Athens, born about 200, 427 to 337 BC. His teacher by Socrates, he was taught, he works wrestling and he was good wrestler. Socrates, student of him, Aristotle was student by him and Plato and Socrates. In 387 BC, founded a philosophical school or another called Academy named Alfred the Great, hero of Athens. And at that time he founded and a he based uh, he based a new philosophical school. Philosophical thought, he sufficed journal characterization of the European philosophical tradition is that consists of the series of Plato. It was quoted by Alfred North while head English method. He teach their math at that academy. He teach math, philosophy, music, logic, metaphysics, epistemology, sports, and he was good in the, these subjects. He describes Socrates' philosophy of Socrates, and he described and he taught them the philosophy of Socrates. Literal genius, he was considered as a literary genius. Theory of reality. Platonic realism is a theory of reality developed by Plato and explained in his theory of forms. Platonic realism states that the visible world of particular thing is shift except, and he come to decide the about the reality. He called the everything which is real is a real. If we want to search a real reality, that we have to be a real. About justice, Plato says about the justice, and he said justice is the art by which give good or friend and evil to enemies. Just is nothing else than the interest of the stronger. He said that the justice is the art by which the government has been run, and by which people come to work about their people, and they want to do good for their people. Dualism theory. This is a theory where it was given by Plato. Before birth, our soul exists in the world of ideas. Knowledge is but the new thing, but it is the name of remembrance, recalling, recollection. Virtue is knowledge. And he given his theory regarding the real dualism. By this, we come to know he said that everything which is seen, this is not a new thing, but it is the uh, called the changing. Means this is a knowledge. Socrates dialects helps us remember knowledge that is the soul has been forgotten. And by the implementing, by the help of Socrates dialect, we come to remember the knowledge. And everything which is a knowledge, it is not a new thing, but it is the name of remembrance. Aristotle, I have completed first and second topic. Now I am going towards the third topic, Aristotle. I will tell you. Aristotle, his birthplace is Centuria, Calagnis, Peninsula. His birthplace is late. He was born about the 384 to 322 BC. His teacher was Plato and Aristotle. His student is Alexander the Great. He spent 20 years of his life at Plato's academy, and he spent it and he learned there the philosophy. He found his school of philosophy formed by the Lyceum at Athens in 335. Aristotle he discovered social science, political and uh, ethics, natural philosophy, science, metaphysics, physics, biology, zoology, uh, ontology, medicine, epistemology, logic, music, mathematics, astrology, cosmology, history of philosophy, psychology, theology, government theory, poetry, theater, art. Every study subject, every material, every subject has been discovered by him and composed by him, and he given his all study of his all work, all material, everything which is learned, which is heard, which is uh, composed in the shape of study is composed and developed by him. Aristotle came to based on it. He divided all subject in parts. There are three parts. First, natural science, and second, the theoretical science. Means natural science or theoretical science, knowledge of own science. In this theory, people get knowledge for themselves. Practical science or the social science, it means the knowledge for all and knowledge of all. And Third, productive science or economic production, duty of life. By third definition, that if we want to beautify our life, that we have to protect sciences. Aristotle means logic. He has not laid before very of fundamental key of the individual thought. His name is known as the founder of deductive logic, and he is considered as the founder of all educational subject. In only two respects has any advantages been made upon Aristotle by the subsequent logicians, and his logic contained therefore all the essential of to this subject. By this, he is considered as a founder of all department, all subjects, and all educational material. He defined changing in four causes. Material cause means determined by the material which is thing is made of. Number second, formal cause determined by the form, argument, shape, essence which is thing is made of. Efficient cause determined by the extent, agent or force. Final cause determined by the aim or the purpose that or the things are surviving. He given these four causes of changing. I have completed the third topic too. I am going towards uh, fourth and last topic, the Thomas Saint Thomas of Aquinius. His birthplace was Rocatia, Kingdom of Sicily. His birthplace was Rukeskia, Kingdom of Sicily, born about 1225 to 1274, was known as a doctor of Anglicus. Major shrine, Church of the Jacobin, the Toulouse, French. His shrine is he is buried in France. His region was Western philosophy. His era was medieval philosophy. This is all about his biography and his life. I am going towards his philosophy and theology. Philosophy relies on the based on and theology relies on the revolution. He said that every philosophy based on theology or realism, philosophy based on authentic thing and provably thing, and it is called the philosophy relies on based. It means the philosophy contained on the reason. Philosophy ask reason about anything. Philosophy is a knowledge of reasoning and to know things in reason. Philosophy and religious. He has given two theories: first philosophy, then the religious thing. Philosophy and religion has same goal to serve humanity, but their patrons are different. Every religious thing is based on revolution, but every philosophical thing is based on reason. He divided philosophy and religion in two parts. Means philosophy less based on the reason, and the theology means the study of religion realized and based on the revolution which was given by Allah and which was revolted by Allah. Philosophy and religion has two same goal, two same thing to achieve the life, but its patterns are different. Means everything which is seen, it is it is known by two things: first religion and philosophy. Both are the pattern to know about everything existence existing of God, and he given his idea. He given his idea about the existence of God, and he claims that the God can be proved by five ways, and he elaborated five things to know about God. First, motion, causation, contingency, purification, and intelligence. Motion, by motion, we come to know about the God. Causation, causation means we has to cause, we has to consider the cause to know about existence of God. Contingency means necessary and possibility, and we have to be necessary and the possible to know about the God. And last thing, uh, purification. Perfection means we have to be perfect, and God is perfect, and we have to perfect to know about the God, and God is a perfect thing. God is a perfect thing. It is not imperfect, but God is only in this world which is perfect. Intelligent means God is very intelligent in this world, and he is running his all the things which is created by him. These are the five uh, things, five ways to know the God. Thankful to you that it was all about my presentation. That's all. Thankful to you to watch this video. I am thankful to my teacher and my other colleagues that they had given ear to my this video. Thankful to you.